Hello, Keith again. So today I'm going to talk about writing a research paper and not a report. Now, sometimes researchers think that they're writing a research paper, but what they end up with is actually a report. And they've done this without realizing they're doing it. And this kind of writing will not get accepted by any high-impact journal. And it's also easy to do without realizing you're even doing it. And the trick is this: everything you do must be based around a research question or a hypothesis. And this will stop you falling into this trap. So how does it happen that you've written a report when you think you've written a research paper? So this is what commonly happens, and you should be aware of and beware of. So, everyone, apart from you, has got this new piece of kit. They're making loads of measurements, they're publishing loads of high-impact papers with the results they get from it. So you or someone at your institute says to the institute, we need to get this new piece of kit. It's great. It'll give us some great results. So the institute wants research papers. So they say, okay, and they buy the piece of kit. And then you, or maybe your supervisor, says, okay, we've got the kit. Now we need to do a project. And the project is this: you go out, you collect loads of samples, and you come back and you measure them. You put them all through the new piece of kit, and you get a load of results. And then you take these results, you plot them all up, you do some statistics on them, and you find some are correlated and some aren't correlated, and you write it all up, and your conclusion is X is correlated to Y, so these things are codependent on each other and could be important in the future. Now this, it's not a research paper, it's a report. And the problem is this: it's not based around a research question or a hypothesis. It's just based around results. And also, another important thing to realize is, if you take this approach to designing a study, you are unlikely to find anything different because you weren't looking for it. And although similarities are quite useful, it is the differences that you can talk about that gets you published in a high impact paper. Now, I also realise with this scenario I've described, it's a bit of an exaggeration, but sometimes when you're a bit further on in your research, and it's a long time since you've been thinking about why you should do the project, and you are drowning in results, your thinking can start going down this route. And you have to stop yourself doing this, because it can happen before you even realise it. So, to make sure you are writing a research paper, always think, what is the research question? What can I do that can help me challenge and build on what has been done before? And then, hopefully, you will be okay and you stand a good chance of getting published in a high-impact journal. So, I hope this has helped you. If you have any comments or topics you want advice on, please leave a comment below. Like, subscribe, and thank you for your time.